Toto, it's Rhea. See you? Iyak. Oh my goodness. Toto, see you, Papa. See you, Papa. Take care, you too. Okay? We'll see you again soon. We'll come down and visit. Bye. Oh, miss you too. See you guys.
Bye, safe journey.
Thank you so much.
Soon.
Yes, we will wait. We'll wait. Bye. Good morning.
Someone smiling.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning, baby. Good morning, ate. Good morning, everyone.
Where's Dida's kiss?
Good morning, buddy. Good morning, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa car park ng hotel. We are on our way to drop the car doon sa place kung saan sila yung magdadala ng ating car papunta ng Brisbane. So, we have to get there before 12 and it's now 10:30 ng umaga. And paalis na kami. Nauna sila dito sa baba, guys. Ngayon lang pala ako pumunta dito kasi nag-ready ako. Daddy Mike took the kids to get coffee kaninang umaga para makapag-ready si Mama. Hi! How was your walk? How was your walk?
Hardest walk ever done.
Where did you go?
There was
Far?
couldn't find any cafes at all.
Oh, really?
They'll be shut down like this soon probably because of COVID.
Oh,
And
wow.
this one is putting on a performance.
Yeah. As always. Ayan. Uy, honey, come down na. Come down na, babe. I'll put you in your car seat. Excuse me. Where did you go?
North Melbourne.
Did you go to North Melbourne, na?
Mom, I got an ice cream.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mommy, I got an ice cream.
Did you have an ice cream early in the morning?
Icy pole.
Oh my goodness.
I have an apple. It says you have to push.
You have to push?
Yeah, to run.
Okay. Come out na, babe. I'll put you in the car so we can go.
Look at this. You need that
What's this one? Oh, did you ask for it? The exit? Thank you, Daddy.
A few moments later.
Bells at doorway, bell sounds to kiss a girl. When the rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know.
We're out the car. Ito lahat ng sasakyan na to siguro. Padala somewhere. So we dropped the car there, guys. Wala nang laman yung car kasi dapat daw empty talaga. So it's empty as they wish. And then we'll go there. So that's the name of the company, guys. Prix Car Services. And it will take... Dito na lang siguro kami maghihintay ni Baby Celine. Ayan. So yung ETA nila to Brisbane is drop namin ngayon. Sabi nila 10th of January. So the same din doon sa ating removalist. Yung ating mga mga gamit ba. So 10th of January darating doon. So obviously pagdating namin doon bukas ay wala pang sasakyan, no? But sa city naman kami magstay. Are you staying in the city, nak? So it's very easy for transport ba if ever we wanna go somewhere. So yung mga dala lang namin ay mga damit. And though the rest will arrive on the 10th of January. Huh? Huh? bye-bye to our car na. So, what's gonna happen from now on, Nani? With the car?
We'll go pick it up at the depot in Brisbane when it gets there. They'll call us on the day.
There you go. So, nagbubuk lang kami ngayon ng taxi, guys. Ayan. Your cab is approximately 11 minutes away. Kasi ngayon, hindi kasi malayo dito yung bahay ng lola at saka lolo ni Daddy Mike, guys. Pupunta kami doon para spend yung afternoon with them before kami babiyahe bukas. So, meron silang time with our little girls. Ayan. You're gonna see Nanang Pana?
I'll see them now.
Huh? Yeah, we're going to see them now.
A few moments later.
So, Nana? Hi, Nan. How are you?
How you doing?
Good. My gosh.
Hello,
Nana?
baby girl.
Nana?
Hello.
Kakarating lang namin.
Oh, you come in there.
Come here, anak.
Come in there. Look at Santa Claus over there. He's not lit up today.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, he's still there.
Mommy, Santa Claus.
Yeah, Santa Claus still there.
He's still there, isn't he? Mummy?
Great.
Mama has
Hang on, let's walk on. Yeah, boom! You beat me, didn't you?
Celine is having a moment with Nani.
Yeah.
Hi.
Beg your pardon?
Are you enjoying your time with Nana?
You're a good hider, that's right.
Big girl.
the cat.
Oh, I forgot about Paris.
Did Pa find you now?
Right, you're gonna count. All right.
Paris.
One, and I'll go hide.
Oh, okay. It's past there now.
Hang on, I've got to get some.
Hi, Nana.
You're gonna
Just let me know, Nanha. I can put her on the floor if you get tired. Just gonna
Yeah,
organize.
that's all right.
Who's that? Her face. Paris is. Who's here?
Little cat.
Little Karen. Hi, Mom. How are you?
Good.
Hi, give Lola a caro. Wait, give Lola a caro. She said before, where's Lola Karen? Where we go?
Oh, yes.
The little girl is sleeping. We're gonna have something to eat now. Pizza, pizza, pa more.
I'll just try one first.
No, you've got to.
This is
I can't
Paris?
see you.
Paris
Well,
wants
louder
it.
than that.
Do you want vegetarian, Jovi, or
Did you?
This is yours.
I have like the Hawaiian, Mom.
we've got enough seats, and you want that other seat with the
It's alright, Ned. I'm just gonna go there anyways. Because
just
I have to check
yeah,
Celine.
yes.
8, 9, 10.
What about
Sit here,
the
but what else?
BBC?
A, B, C, D,
Ooh,
E,
yeah.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Bravo!
Now I know on ABCs. Want you make to sing with me.
Yeah.
Paris.
How about the A? You're adorable, na. Do it properly, anak. Adobaro.
Very good.
Come on, you know it. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're so cute and full of charm. Come on now. I. D, you're.
Baby.
Oh, you're a baby.
Never mind, see?
Baby Celine down there.
Yes.
Oh, baby Celine has grown up so big.
Next to you, mommy.
And Mummy as well.
You just said
No, there's no another chair. There's no.
Would you like to sit next to Papa? No?
I'm sure we got.
Oh no,
chairs.
Pa's crying.
That's all right.
now he's sitting somewhere.
Yeah, that's all right. Last time Karen pulled out, didn't you, Karen?
You're sitting next to?
Lula Karen.
Lula Karen.
You're sitting next to me.
No, Lula Karen's gonna sit next to me and Nene. Because we're girls.
Today.
Because we're girls. Because we're girls, that's why she's sitting next to us.
You can serve me.
Oh, okay.
How about Pa? How about Pa? Pa will be upset.
It's okay, he can go over there.
He can go over there.
I'm going to sit here next to you. Yeah, because I want to.
He wants you next to Nanny.
I need girls.
Honey,
I know you're a
girls.
Dada.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a big girl. Aren't you? You're a special girl.
See, Nanny? Toto is sweetheart. See? Iyak. Oh my goodness. Toto. See, Papa. Papa.
Surprise with that.
Take care, you too. Okay? We'll see you again soon. We'll come down and visit.
Come and visit.
Lovely face.
Yeah, anytime. Bye-bye.
My parents love you. Come and visit Nana.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Nani.
I want
That's all she cares about.
Oh, yeah. Is that yours? Oh, yeah.
She's running for the money.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Oh my God, ang aking buhok. Oh, kakalabas lang namin from the taxi. So, umalis na kami from Nanan Pass and bumuhos ang luha doon. Bumuhos ang luha doon.
Yeah, the camera.
Okay.
Look.
Where are we now?
in the city.
And what are we doing here?
Since you're on anything,
And?
we're going to eat.
Ayan. So, dito kami sa city ngayon kasi kikitain namin ang aking bestie Ron. Plano namin pumunta dyan sa isang Thailand restaurant for dinner. And also, catch up before kami alis bukas. Ang ating baby girl ayan. Oh, she's been a really good girl. Yes! Good girl. Bali man na imong chupon na.
Pick it up.
And we'll see if we can go there, guys. Oh, we love that one there. What are you drinking, Paris?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. I'm having fresh coconut juice, and Daddy's having
I just eat
what's that,
coconut.
Bob? Singa?
Sing ha.
Singha. Sing hallelujah. We're still waiting for Tito Ron.
I'm gonna kasi.
Hindi pa nakadating si Tito Ron namin. But nag-order na si Daddy Michaels kasi long wait daw. Yung pagkain nila, mga 1 hour daw. So nag-order na si Daddy Mike for everyone. Hello! And here is our little princess. Yes, being a very good girl si Mama. I think, no, look at it. Lili. Big girl mo kayo na, ang baby, Nani, are you going to miss Nani and Papa?
Yeah.
But are you gonna come and visit them?
Yeah, when I finish Brisbane.
When you're finished with Brisbane?
Yeah.
Yeah, when do you think is that?
You'll come down in. We'll probably come back down in about spring.
Yeah. Honey, are you going to miss Lola Karen?
Yeah.
Is Lola Karen playing with you all day?
Yes. How about Nani and Papa? Yeah? Did Nani cry? Did you cry or not?
I did.
Hi. here. Harap na yung kwan. How are you feeling?
Are you all ready?
Happy New Year.
We can get flying. What about Moana?
Ketawa cuma ini, ketawa cuma ini, ketawa cuma ini.
Show me Elsa.
Celine! Celine!
Balik sa siya lang eh.
Yeah.
Huh? Ano yun?
Matad pa sayang Lula. Hello! Hello! Sing ano? Hello, little Mimi.
As ini. Balik sa siya lang
Are you little Mimi? Are you little Mimi? Huh? Nabayagan yung manak eh. Ang gilukunan ba ka na siya, ti? Ticklish. Food is finished. It was good. There's one more left. What's this one? Fish cake?
Well, you see this? Guys, show me how to do beautiful.
Gagawin din siya, no?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, she's very ticklish. Just finished our dinner. Yeah. Sarah is spending time with Tita Ron. Mermaids is a mermaid. So I was like, mermaid sa kawas. And here's the little one here. She's awake. She's been asleep there. Daddy Mike's there. So it's our last night in Melbourne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, apil.
Are you going to miss us?
Super.
Yeah.
Look, my boobs.
Kita mong boobs, ti. Para po. We will miss you too. Are you going to miss Tita Rona?
Yes.
Yes? It doesn't sound like it. She's very excited to leave.
Time of birthday?
Now you come visit us, huh?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
100%. That's in, super visit.
Yeah.
Can't wait to visit. Next week?
Yeah. Wala pa may balay to. Anak.
Bisik na yun?
Gabi kami nga dito.
See you in Feb. Mga Feb.
Yeah. By then, we're not homeless.
Yes.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
going to be
fair.
exciting, guys. So go home and then we'll do some more packing. And
Wait, you know,
yeah, we'll
work
get ready for tomorrow.
No more work straight for you.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's funny, right? Ang mama ni Mike, barang ko tala. Gitaga mo niyag voucher sa para Pasko. Ang tala siya na may Myers dito.
Na? What?
Basta naman.
Yeah, that's what there is. Gabi.
Bukit?
WA? Kumain?
I know. Very nice. Meron pa sila mga stars. Oh, kahit tapos lang Pasko. Lobat na ang camera, ti. Di ko makatake photo. Mingaw na, guys. It's nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi. Just making the most of it. Time na naiwan dito sa Melbourne. Yes, honey, yeah? We will miss Melbourne. But yeah, at the same time, we're very excited to be in Brisbane. Yes, my love. Open pa yung Zara. Yun yung dalawa. Oh. Bye.
Might be. What about this one?
Oh, miss you too. See you guys.
Bye, safe journey.
Thank you so
We'll come
much.
visit soon.
Yes, we will wait. We'll wait.
Mrs.
Be a
Mitchell.
good man. As if nagdilig a message every day.
Bye. Good luck. We'll see you.
Bye-bye dito.
Because he's probably gonna freak out. Goodbye.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy the plane.